Good morning, students. Up to the previous video of this lesson, we have studied the prime numbers, co-prime numbers and the twin prime numbers with their respective examples. Now let us move towards the next part of the lesson, that is prime factorization. It means that now we are going to factorize the numbers into the prime numbers. So for that, let us take the example of it. I am going to take the example here, the number 24. Now I have to factorize the 24 into the prime. So for that I am having the three methods. Vertical method. First we will go with the vertical method. As its name indicates, vertical means we have to factorize these numbers in a vertically. So in vertical method you have to write the numbers and you have to draw one straight line there. Vertically, a vertical straight line you have to draw for that. Now I am having the 24. Let us factorize this number with the 2, 3 like these prime numbers. I can go with the 2 also or with the 3 also. I will go with the first smaller number. 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4, or I can say that 12 2s are 24. It is there. As 12 is not the prime number, so it is below of this one. Otherwise you can say that, ma'am, shall we write the 12 here or the 2 here? No. In a vertical method, we want this left side all the numbers as a prime numbers. Fine. That's why. Then again, now I can factorize this 12 with the 2 also. 2 6 are 12. Then again 6 I got here. I can factorize this 6 as a 2 3 are 6. Now you are having the chance here that you can write the 3 here also and the 2 here also, because 3 are also the prime numbers. At the last I am having the 3 and 3 is as a prime number, so it is divisible by itself only. So 3 1s are 3. Now you can see that here I am at the left side I am getting all the numbers as a prime numbers only, and hence the prime factors of the number 24 is, now left side whatever numbers you are getting, write that numbers in the multiplication form. 3 times 2 I am having there and 1 times 3, and it is nothing but the prime factorization of the numbers, that only you have to be right in the multiplication format, and this method we used to call as a vertical method. Now we are done with this one. Let us move towards the second method, that is horizontal method. Now with the same example we will go first. Now 24 number I had chosen for the vertical method. The same example I will take for the horizontal also. I can write the 24 as a 12 2s are 24, 8 3s are 24, or anything like these numbers I can take here. Fine. I had gone with the first 12 2s are 24. Now I can factorize the 2 more because 2 is already prime number, so I will keep the 2 first one 2 as it is. But I can factorize the 12. I can write 12 as a 4 3s are 12 also, or 6 2s are 12 also. These are the 2 6 are 12. It's factors of the 12. Now in the next method, in the next step, 2 will be this one 2 as it is carried out. This one 2 also going to be carried out as it is, because these 2 are already the prime numbers. We can split it more. But now I can factorize the 6. How can I write the 6? 2 3s are 6. It is the factors of the 6. Now you can observe that at the last step I just get here all the numbers as a prime numbers only. So it is nothing but the factors of the 24 only. Hence factors of 24 are 3 times 2 I have to write in the multiplication format, and 1 times 3 it is there. And this is nothing but the horizontal method and the vertical method of the prime factorization. One more method it is there, that the tree factorization method. You will get that why we are telling as it as a tree factorization, because we are splitting or we are writing the factors like the branches of the tree. With the same example we will go now. For that you have to write that number to whom you have to be factorized. Then 24 I can write as a 4 3s are 12. Fine. Now I can write the 4, again I can factorize the 4 into the prime numbers as a 2 2s are 4, and this 3 is already prime number, so this 3 will be carrying out as it is in the last step. Means these are looking like the branches of the tree. That's why we used to call it as a tree factorization method. And at the last you can see here that you are getting all the numbers as a prime numbers there. Hence again we can write at the last step you have to be end the prime factorization with this one at the last step. Write the downsides all the numbers given, and it is nothing but the prime factorization of the numbers. I hope you are getting with the both three the methods. You can choose the any one for the prime factorization of this. Now let us take the example from the practice set. So it is the question is there, factorize the following numbers. Factorize the following numbers into the primes. Now we are finding the prime factors of the numbers. For example, I will take the number 23. Now what are the factors of 23? First you need to be observed that the 23 is already the prime number. 23 already prime number hai, that's why the factors will be, we have to write 23 ones are 23, and it is nothing but the factors of the prime factors of the number 23. One more example I will take here. Suppose I want to take the number 20. Factors of the 20, I can write 20 as a 4 5 are 20. 4 5 are 20 I can write here. Then I can factorize the 4 more. 5 is already prime number, so no need of factorization more. I will factorize the 4 as a 2 2s are 4, and this 5 will be carried as it is. You can see it is 2 2s are 4 and 4 5s are 20. And this is nothing but the prime factorization of the number 2 into 2 into 5 of the 20. I hope you are getting the clear with this one prime factorization.